Think you can resurrect that old Windows 7 machine and turn it into a crypto-mining powerhouse? Let's find out. Alright miners, first, a disclaimer: mining Ethereum on Windows 7 isn't the most efficient or profitable route these days. The network difficulty has skyrocketed and Windows 7 is no longer supported. So proceed at your own risk. This is more of a legacy project for the fun of it. Your best bet for compatible software is the Miner. Head to their GitHub page. I'll put a link in the description. Download the version appropriate for your NVIDIA or AMD card. Next, ensure you have the latest drivers for your graphics card that are compatible with Windows 7. Outdated drivers can cause serious problems. Check your driver version in Device Manager and update accordingly from NVIDIA's or AMD's website. Now, you'll need to configure Miner. Open the config file using Notepad. Find the pool address and wallet address lines. Replace the default pool address with a reliable Ethereum mining pool like Ethermine or F2Pool. Then, enter your own Ethereum wallet address. Double-check this is accurate to avoid losing your mining rewards. Save the config file, then run the Miner executable. Keep an eye on the command prompt window. You should see your graphics card initializing and beginning to hash. If you see errors, double-check your driver installation and config file. Monitor your progress on your chosen mining pool's website. It might take a few hours to see your hash rate reflected and start accumulating a balance. Don't expect to get rich, but hopefully, this gives your old machine a new lease on life. Good luck and happy mining.